All right, so this week, oh my gosh, if you hear kittens crying, it's because I have little foster babies over there. But anyways, this week I thought I would make an Oogie Boogie inspired dress because I have this like acid green silk shunting fabric that I don't know what else to do with it. The color is like really, like I didn't know what else to do with this color, basically. So I thought I would use this 1959 pattern to make a dress. I'm going to change the neckline a little bit and not do the collar. And I'm also going to make a hood that I don't know if I'm going to have it sewn directly to the dress or have it detachable. I haven't made up my mind yet. But I want to make an Oogie Boogie dress. So that's what I am thinking to do this week. And we'll see if it turns out well. I think this skirt looks super full, which is kind of what I want, so I'm gonna try it out. I think at one point this pattern had gotten slightly damp, maybe. It was hard to get like open up. I picked out the pieces over here that I'm gonna need, and the skirt pieces are over there. But these are the like bodice and things that I've got over here. And I guess all I need to do is I'll probably cut out the bodice pieces first and then work my way through the pattern cutting till there. I mean, this is a really pretty color. It's just, it's very bright. I think it's gonna be fun to wear though. So I'm gonna get started on this. Alright, so the front of the bodice is done now. Now this dress is supposed to have a side zipper, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it as a side zipper. So this is the back piece, and it says to do the zipper on the left side. So I guess I will sew the bodice together on this side and then leave this open for now. Alright, so I just sewed the skirt panels together. I cut these were supposed to be 4 panels that I sewed together, but I actually cut 2 of the skirt pieces on the center fold area so that I would be cutting out less pieces. So there's 2 pieces to this skirt that I sort of modified, but I'm going to be running a gathering stitch along the top and gathering it to the bodice right there. And then I do have a black zipper I could use because, well, I don't have a bright acid green or lime green zipper, so I do have black. And I think I might line the hood that I make with black so that some black will be seen. So I'm considering just doing a black zipper, that way I don't have to go to the fabric store to get a green one to spend more money, and I will be able to finish this quicker because I don't know when I'm going to be able to get to the fabric store next. So that's where I am right now. I'm going to be gathering the top of this to match the bodice. Alright, so I did change the neckline to be a bit wider, and I think I like it more now. And then what I just did was pin in a side zipper. I've never done a side zipper before, so this is my first attempt. But here I have it pinned in. I think I'm just gonna sew one side in and then the other, and then close up the bottom of the skirt. And then kind of attach it in there, and then it should be able to work. Gonna need to get a zipper foot and switch it on my sewing machine. I really love the contrast of black with this green. It looks so good, and maybe I'll see if I have any kind of black fabric, because I do want to line the hood with black because I think it would look so much better. It looks so good with black and green. Okay, so time to get sewing again. Okay, so I cut out my hood pattern. I'm hopefully wanting to either go to Joann's or have my husband pick something up for me on his way home from work today, but I want to get some kind of black satin for the inside of the hood, and I plan on doing like the eyes and things on it, but I don't have the embroidery thread or the black satiny fabric yet, so I'm just showing you how I am making the hood. So I used the hood from this cloak pattern, cape pattern, whatever. But I did modify it a little bit. Instead of having like extra round floofness at the bottom that gets gathered up, I kind of, when I cut out my piece, I kind of folded it to this level and just kind of took some of that out, because I'm not going to be gathering this hood, but it will be like big and like envelop my head. So this is the pattern I use. So basically, where this line is, this is like where it gets sewn around the neckline. Like I just cut that straight across. So that's what I've got.